5D perceptions start with us as individuals, where we get to know our own complexities, our own inner sensations, our own inner skill sets in determining our life and our balance in life, and the content of our reality. The 5D perception from the other side, looking back, is the fastest path to your 5D destination is inside of your stomach and inside of your heart and inside of your head. And when you can get those three things in sync, that's 5D perception. And that makes you feel amazing when you're doing what you want to do or you're doing what you're supposed to do. And if for any reason you're not feeling that way, because that's who you truly are, the only reason you're not feeling that way is a decision that you've got to change your mind about. It's that simple, or it's that complicated.